All right, trader nerds, welcome in on the Transition Monday, where Schwab has fully taken over Thinkorswim. So we will not be showing Thinkorswim today because I don't see any of my charts in there. So we'll try to get them back, and we'll try to do that. So I guess we'll get used to looking at stuff through this, right? So here we go. The market is up a little bit today, um, up a quarter. Wow, that's nothing, is it? Let's see what our VIX is today. VIX is up some. How about that? VIX is in the 13 handles. Okay, so that's good. So let's use our little account today. I still got to move some money over to this account, but as of now, it's still a little account. So let's see how we're doing today. Let me pull it up on my phone. And yeah, I'm hearing some frustrated people now. Let's see with this Schwab takeover. So our little account today is at 7,387.28. 7387.28. See if we get to play the Jeffersons or not. 7387.28. You see what that means? Fire up the band, Rico. All right, so let's find that little account that we've got going on here. Let's see. So this is the one. Let me make sure I got the right one. Ends in 26. Yeah, 26. So it'll be this account. Trade just that one, and we won't trade this one. And that gives us 12 and 10 on the delta and the theta. 12 and 10. 12, 10. 12, 10 theta, making $10 a day. I can dig it. We're in the 13 handle with VIX, and our buying power is 1809. 1809, baby. All right, so 25% usage. We're, good on our theta. Theta looks really good. And our deltas, I mean, how could you be more delta neutral? Even though it says we need -1 deltas to be all right. So this is a good looking account. Nothing looks bad. See if any of our trades need adjusting. We're looking for auto close signals, and there are nothing because we're just getting this account started back again. We just started back trading on April the 3rd. So we're just building it out. So today we want to do an MES 111 or 112. It's up to you. We've been doing 111s of late. So we'll do one contract, and we'll call this NP7 and PDS7. And they're puts. I said they're puts, and they're puts. Just putting everything in before we get there. This is going to be naked. That's going to be debit spread. Debit spread. We're going to put them in today's date and today's date. There we go. So let's see what we can do. So let's put in our little MES, and we'll go to trade, and we'll go to table. I said we'll go to table, and we'll go closest to 120 days. Looks like that's going to be 129 days. And we'll do something at a 10% probability being in the money. So this one here, the 4700s at 32. We're going to try to get $32. 92% probability of profit. See if we can get that. Come on, baby. Nothing. Jack squat crap. Fix this. So we'll move that to 3175. 3175, and it's the 4700, right? We are filled. We are filled. Where was that at? 129 days? Yeah, 129 days, 4,700. 4,700, 129 days, and 3175. Good. So we brought in $157.28. Let's go put debit spread in. And you want to go about that 25 delta or so. So let's go 5,100. We'll go 5,100, 50/50 for 1075. We'll make that 11 just to make sure we get filled. Now we're spending a little bit more than we want to there, but that's fine. All right, so 5,100 for 11. Let's put that in. 5,100 for 11. 50/50 for $11. Yeah, beautiful. Now let's go and we'll make those grouped in our little groups there. So we'll see positions and we'll see all our little bitty positions here. Here they are. So this is PDS 7. PDS 7. And this is NP7. And let's see how some of our other ones are doing. So here's NP1. That thing's at 56%. Now, some of y'all take y'all's off at like 50%, 60%, 70%. And some of you, as a matter of fact, don't close them at all. You just let them, you just let them expire. This one is at 70%. This one is at 66%. This one's at 52%. This one is at 44%. I guess that's all. No, we got Nikki put 6 here. 17%. Isn't that great? And let's see what our thing looks like. Our whole profit and loss little thing looks like. Oh, baby. Oh my gosh. Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that gorgeous? Just great. All right, y'all. Well, that's all there is to do. No really market commentary. And I guess we could look at the linear regression. At least TradingView didn't, take over. Schwab didn't take this over. So that was ZB. Let's try it on ES futures. See what the linear regression looks like. Okay. Looks like we're doing just what we should be doing. It looks like we've gone consolidation up. Now maybe a little bit of consolidation and then probably up again, y'all. It's probably what we're expecting. All right. So y'all, I'll get on the phone with Thinkorswim, see if we can find all the charts. Y'all have a good rest of your day. I appreciate you so much, and we will see you tomorrow.